Okay. Go. Okay, you keep one.
We're in northern Thailand right now, and the whole area around us is super mountainous and has all these really cool roads and trails like running throughout the whole region. So we had to get dirt bikes. That's definitely the best 20 bucks we spent the whole trip. So we just got up to the top, and we're so high up, there's actually pine trees up here. Last time I was here, we were just on scooters, and we kept driving up this dirt road. And we eventually got to this place where we just couldn't go any further, and the road was just too bad to ride the scooters. So last time when I left, I told myself that I would come back, rent dirt bikes, and try and make it the whole way. So we are finally back doing it. This is where we got stuck last time with scooters. Holy shit! I don't think I've ever dug a bike in that much. Fishing the bikes, going on foot. I just racked myself so hard. Oh.